open the window, you can hear the exhaust so well. Oh my goodness. Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Dude, you guys have been blowing up my most recent video, dude. I cannot believe it. We are now officially at like 513 subscribers. My most recent video, which is what I uploaded today, which was 7 hours ago, is already at 1.4K. I don't know how you guys are doing this. Oh my goodness. Dude, you guys are amazing. Oh my, I don't even know how to even start my videos anymore. You guys are just so amazing. I appreciate all the amazing support you guys have done, dude. I don't know like what's going on. We started YouTube like literally 9 days ago, and our first video is at 11K, second video is at like 3.6K, and now the one I just uploaded today is already at 1. Dude, I don't know, bro. I appreciate all the support you guys have been giving me. Like, I don't even know what to say, to be honest, man. Like, I'm just so in shock. Like, I want to make more of these POV videos because honestly, like, even I like to watch my own POV videos. I like looking back and watching, because it's just like, I don't know, man, it's just such a vibe. The POV videos are such a vibe, and especially when the car sounds so good, that's where it's like becomes even more of a vibe. All right, people are probably be looking at me right now, but I don't care, bro. Gotta get the angles. Oh my goodness. Oh, dude, this. Oh my gosh, bro. I don't even know. I keep saying, oh my gosh, every time because I don't even know what to say anymore, bro. It just sounds so amazing. Sounds so amazing. Dude, this car, man. Alright, so man, if you guys are enjoying these videos, make sure you guys leave a like, and I appreciate all the subscriptions. You guys are literally, I don't even know what to say in this video, honestly. Like, I don't know how to thank you guys enough. You guys literally have been blessing me. I did order a new intake for this car, which I'm very excited. It's coming like in like 5 days. I literally was spending at least like 5 hours. I literally spent at least 5 hours one day just doing like research on all the types of intakes. And like one intake has carbon fiber but no heat shield. One's carbon fiber heat shield, but I can't order it because I live in California. And then the other one has a heat shield but it has plastic. You know, I want a carbon fiber intake because they're just more heat resistant and they hold better like just temperatures. You know, that's why I really. Well, in the long run, what I figured out is I basically ordered a Corsair intake because it's carbon fiber, has a heat shield, and has a rain shield, which I can take off and stuff, which is, well, I'm for sure gonna take it off. It never rains here. But pretty much I went to like at least 5 different websites, and I finally found one that was able to hook me up. Like, dude, living in California kind of sucks, but the weather here is just so amazing. Honestly, like, what's more crazy about living in LA is just like the car like industry here is so big. The car scene is huge. Sometimes there's cops here. This is like the hot spot. If you guys ever watch like Aries and Cars or any kind of like drift YouTuber, this is literally where they do all the drifting. Like literally all of it. This is like, even on Instagram you'll see a bunch of posts of people just drifting here. Like you can just see all the tire marks. I don't want to throw it yet because there's a security place over here and they always be calling cops, so I'm not gonna mess around right now. Yeah, like I've been thinking about making the exhaust louder in this car, but I don't know, man. I'm kind of scared because I live in California. Like if I leave the cats on, it's not as illegal, but I want to find like an exhaust that's super loud, that's after the cats, and that's active, you know, so I can like turn it on, turn it off, turn it back on. That actually sounds pretty decent, you know. Because this one that I have right now is active and it sounds really good. You know, I don't want to make it like so loud to where to where I attract like every single cop in the neighborhood. You know, I still want to be low key, because not only do I have cops that live in my neighborhood, I just don't want to be attracting too much attention. You know, like I don't care about attracting attention, but dude, when your car is open headers, freaking straight pipe, no cat, all this crazy stuff, it's just way too loud. You know what I mean? It's like, I don't even want to risk it. You know what I mean? Especially that I live in LA. I'm really hoping for that the intake is gonna make this car way louder. You know what I mean? Also, I've been trying to make my videos short, and every time I record, like, I'm like, oh dude, I don't even know what to talk about. And then I just like find something to talk about, and the video like ends up to be like 17 minutes long, which I literally never try to do that. And it's just like, I don't know, man. It's like when you start flowing, like every time I'm about to record, I feel like so anxious, like, bro, like, I don't even know, man. You know, I don't want to just upload this random crap. I want to upload like what people want to see. But then when I upload my videos, dude, my videos are doing so good. Like, I cannot believe I have a video over 10K. Like, I just cannot believe I hit the 5 digits. Like, 4 digits was like more realistic, not 5 digits, bro. Like, I still can't believe it, man. Thank you guys for all the support. Seriously, man, you guys are so amazing. I seriously can't thank you guys enough. Like, I was doing this for fun, didn't expect anything, but I just can't believe in 9 days already so much progress. Like, we're already at 500 subs, dude. Yesterday when I uploaded my videos at 375, bro. What's happening right now, bro? Come on, bro. Dude, every time, like, when I used to drive by Hellcats, I used to always roll down the window because, dude, I love the supercharger sound. I just can't believe I have it, bro. I cannot believe I have the supercharger sound. I literally, like, till this day, I'm still freaking shocked, bro. Man, dude, all glory to God, bro. And especially that, like, something's actually coming out of this, too. I'm actually, like, so in shock, bro. You don't understand, man. Oh, shoot. So many cars right now. Dude, I'm just so hoping that the aftermarket intake is gonna freaking make this car sound amazing. Because it did when I had my Audi S4, dude. The stock intake. Basically, like, the stock intake was like nothing compared to the aftermarket intake. And that's what I'm hoping for. That's what I'm really hoping for. Oh, dude. Whatever, man. Come on, man. Am I good to go? Looks like I'm good to go. Every time, I'm coming to where there's a street where a cop could be, I literally brake every time. I didn't install my radar already, bro. I don't know why I haven't. I'm literally gonna go install it right after I'm finished filming this. Dude. And what makes me so happy too is, like, I'm not even pushing this car to the limit, you know? Like, the way I used to drive my Audi S4 was the same way I drive this. Like, I just keep the low speeds, you know, keep it the low gears, just kind of push it to like 5 RPM. Like, dude, this car is like, that's why I bought this car. It's like, I wanted to enjoy the lower gears, you know? Like, the M4, I like the M4 a lot too. You do need to, like, if you do put some intakes on that thing sounds like a beauty. But I just like the supercharger whine, you know? I like the triple also, but, like, I would like to have both. But what I'd rather have more is obviously a supercharger with a V8, bro. Like, come on. And I just, like, I love how I just don't have to do anything either. Like, I know the phone doesn't pick up, like, it doesn't do justice compared to what it actually sounds like. But, man, I don't know how much I've filmed so far. If you guys enjoying this, like I said, man, make sure you guys leave a like. Like, I literally don't even know. I don't even know what to say, because I keep saying, like, I appreciate all the support, but that's like, I just can't believe it, bro. Like, it doesn't even seem real, bro. Like, it is like kind of a dream, because I did not have any expectations. You know what I mean? Come on, bro, you switch lanes just to go slow? Come on, man. We're going like 10 below the speed limit, which is crazy too, you know? Dude, like, back in the day, there used to be a cop every single day right there. And then another spot right here, bro. Every single time, even if you just go 1 over the speed limit, he'll get you. Literally happened to my neighbor. Definitely gonna have to go install my radar. That's why I've been trying to keep it casual. That's why I'm trying to make this car like as loud as possible from in the low gears, just so then, cause like, dude, if you can't enjoy the car in the low gears, then you didn't buy the right car, bro. You know what I mean? Like, you have to be able to enjoy it. Like, you don't want to keep risking it, you know? Like, dude, having this head mount, it's so hard to see if the cops are nearby at all. Coming to the end of the video, I did not expect to be recording for 12 minutes. I just looked right now, so I'm gonna finish off with this bridge because it sounds really, really good in this bridge. But like I said, man, thank you guys for all the support. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be trying making more videos, try to make it more entertaining for you guys, because I'm just doing what I wish to see, you know? Like, when I used to watch all these car videos, I loved just hearing the supercharger whine. So that's why I'm trying to do everything I can to make this car as loud as possible, the supercharger, and then eventually make the exhaust as loud as possible with still being able to be low key, you know what I mean? I still want the cops to like me, you know? I want, when I pass the cops, I want the cops to be like, oh, that guy's chilling, you know? That's what, it's not that loud, you know what I mean? Like, whatever, I just want to be in the best situation and have the best noise, kind of have like the best risk to reward, you know? If I'm gonna put myself in that situation, I want like the best like risk to reward. When you open the window, you can hear the exhaust so well. All right, this is the last run right here. I'm gonna try to get like, oh, heck yeah. Oh my goodness, bro. Well,